13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in a massive explosion, the Big Bang. This cataclysmic event marked the beginning of everything we know, creating space, time, and all the matter that would eventually form stars, galaxies, and planets. The universe expanded rapidly, cooling as it grew, and within the first few minutes, the basic building blocks of matter were formed. From this fiery chaos, stars and galaxies began to form. Over millions of years, gravity pulled together clouds of gas and dust, igniting nuclear fusion in the hearts of stars. These stars grouped together to form galaxies, vast collections of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, each with its own unique story. 4.6 billion years ago, in a quiet corner of the Milky Way, a giant cloud of gas and dust started to collapse under its own gravity. This region, known as a nebula, was a stellar nursery where new stars were born. As the cloud collapsed, it began to spin, flattening into a disk with a dense core at its center. At its center, the sun was born, a new star igniting with the power of nuclear fusion. Around it, the leftover material began to swirl, forming a protoplanetary disk. This disk was a chaotic mix of gas, dust, and ice, all orbiting the newborn sun. This spinning disk clumped together over millions of years. Tiny particles stuck together, forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps collided and merged, growing into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. The process was violent and chaotic, with countless collisions shaping the young solar system. Small rocks collided, forming larger ones. These collisions generated immense heat, melting the material and allowing it to coalesce into larger bodies. Over time, these bodies grew into planetesimals, some of which would become the planets we know today. These grew into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. In the early solar system, these planetesimals were numerous, constantly colliding and merging. Some of them grew large enough to become protoplanets, the precursors to the planets we see today. One of these planetesimals became Earth, a molten, fiery ball constantly bombarded by asteroids. The early Earth was a hostile place with a surface covered in molten rock and frequent impacts from space debris. These impacts played a crucial role in shaping the planet, delivering essential materials and energy. Over time, Earth's surface cooled, forming a crust. This cooling process took millions of years as the planet gradually lost heat to space. The formation of a solid crust was a critical step in Earth's development, providing a stable surface for future geological and biological processes. Volcanoes released gases, creating an atmosphere. These volcanic eruptions were frequent and intense, releasing water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other gases into the air. This early atmosphere was very different from what we breathe today, but it set the stage for the development of life, and then the miracle happened. Water arrived, likely from icy comets and asteroids. These celestial bodies bombarded the young Earth, delivering water and other essential compounds. The presence of water was crucial, as it allowed for the formation of oceans and the development of life. Oceans appeared, setting the stage for life. These vast bodies of water covered much of the planet's surface, creating a stable environment where life could begin to evolve. The oceans played a key role in regulating the planet's climate and providing a habitat for early organisms. From a chaotic cloud of dust to the blue planet we call home, Earth's journey took billions of years. And it's still evolving. The planet has undergone countless changes, from the formation of continents to the rise of life, and it continues to change today. And that's how Earth came into existence. This incredible journey from a cloud of gas and dust to a vibrant, life-sustaining planet is a testament to the power of natural processes and the passage of time. The story of Earth continues. Like, share, subscribe. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what changes and discoveries await us on this ever-evolving planet.